Today I'd like to take a look at a new perfume from Lattafa. This is Eternal Vanille. Let's get it open and get into it. Lovely, black, sleek, classic box. Ah, there it is. Love the tree on it, it's beautiful. The top as well. Ain't that gorgeous? This is a fragrance for men and women. Top note, singular, blackberry. Middle notes are cocoa pulse, cacao, and vanilla caviar. Okay. And the base notes are akigala wood, ambrofix, tonka bean, cedarwood, musk, and benzoin. Like why? Oh, there it is. Okay. It's quite heavy because it's quite small, the cap. But it's quite heavy. I like that. I was expecting to be sort of blasted with blackberry at first, but I'm actually smelling everything else. I'm getting the tonka bean straight away. And the cedarwood. Cacao. It's leaning a little bit masculine, but not too masculine for a woman to wear. It's quite sexy, that. It's it's not your average vanilla. It's not like really sweet. It's not. There is a sweetness, but it's like there's a spiciness to it as well. It's quite it's quite warm and cozy and a little bit seductive. There's kind of a freshness to it as well. I'm not sure what that is. The musk. It's a nice subtle amount of musk. That is not what I was expecting at all, but it is lovely. Another one from Lattafa. Knocked it out of the park again. Available now. Go get yours. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you on the next one.